Hey guys, we're here, tonight, on this fine evening, making a YouTube video about these guys freaking out during the thunderstorm. Hey, it's you! Look in the camera. He doesn't want to cooperate. This is Grim. Grim tends to avoid cameras and people. In general, he's a little bit of an old dog. And this is how bad it's raining. The power's gone out several times during the night. It's raining pretty hard out there. Well, that's not good. Beeping sounds from the dishwasher. But yeah, we made some chili fries tonight. I cooked them. They were pretty good. Because I'm kind of a chef. Maybe I'll make a cook video sometime. Kind of hungry. The dog's trying to crawl in the fridge. Little dog trying to crawl in the fridge. Scared at the storm. Ow! That crap's good, bro. And put it back like nothing ever happened. Just kidding. That's an empty can. We used it last night. I just left it in the fridge. Where is the beeping coming from? Oh, great. It's coming from the TV, huh? Is that or somewhere? It's coming from somewhere, bro. It's coming from the art room? It might be, actually. There's like a device right there. Got a cardboard box from Walmart. I'm gonna do a video with that. No, stop trying to crawl in the closet, bro. I'll lock you in there, I swear. Yeah, get out, bro. Oh, God. Oh, you're in the closet now. Come on. Get out, bro. I'm sorry. This is embarrassment to him and me. Why are you locking yourself in the closet? Why? I don't get it. I mean, I know it's thundering. Come on. Come on, bro. Get out, bro. I mean, we're going to leave him in here if he's not going to participate yet. That's what I thought. No, you're not going in the closet. I'm going to close you in here. I swear I'll do it. Yeah. Just got to scare them a little. If they think you're going to really do it, they'll come in. Yes, and my room is a complete wreck today. I woke up to a good start and then wrecked the house. Well, my room, doing arts and projects and stuff. But I did make a pretty cool head from my voodoo dolls. That's a project I'm doing right now. I'm trying to make a voodoo doll dispenser. I'll show you the dispenser video once I do it. It's the dude. Oh wait, where did his eyeballs go? His eyeballs are officially gone. Well, that's fun. Oh no, his eyeballs aren't gone. The bandana's covering it up. And there goes the beeping again. There he is. It's apparently bandana cookie monster or something like that. Yeah. I just thought I'd fill y'all in. Alright. Peace out.